So now given grammar is given, we have to convert into CNF. So the first step is we have to do. The right hand side should contains only two non-terminals or the single terminal. So from the first grammar S is producing BA. So instead of taking non-terminals as A, B, C, what again here A and B is already given. So in the first question we had taken temporary non-terminal as A and B. But here instead of considering whether the non-terminals are already given, what we can do, we can start taking the non-terminals in the series of R, like R1, R2, R3, R4, like that. We'll start with BA. S is producing BA. Here check the required format. The required format is only two non-terminal. Out of two non-terminal, first non-terminal is present. That means we have to convert this terminal B by the non-terminal. So let R1 is producing B. So here B will be replaced by R1. So that is our first required CNF format. Now the second grammar S is producing AB. Here A and B, two things are present, out of which first one is the last one is the non-terminal and the first one has to be replaced into the non-terminal. That's why we have taken R2. R2 is producing A. So S is producing R2 and B. Now consider the third production. A is producing BAA. Again here everything has to be in the form of non-terminal. So this B will be replaced by R1, which is we had already taken. So it is R1AA. But here we are having three non-terminals. According to the CNF, we should have only two non-terminals. So let R3 is producing R1 and A. So this R1 and A will be replaced by R3. So this R1 and A now replaced by R3 followed by A. Now this is in the CNF format. Now A is producing AS. Here again two non-terminals is required, out of which first is already present. So this terminal A has to be replaced by R2, that is we had already taken. R2 is producing A. So this A is replaced by R2. So A is producing R2 and S. The next one is A is producing A, which is already in the CNF format. Next one is B is producing ABB. So A, which is on a terminal which we had already referred as R2, so R2BB. Here we are having three non-terminals, so this has to be replaced. There we should have the two non-terminal, that's why we are having R4. R4 is representing R2 and B, that is B is now going to represent R4 and B. Now the last one is B is producing D and S. Two non-terminals are required, so the B will be replaced by R1 that we had already taken. So B is representing R1 and S. So at the end what we are going to do, we are going to combine everything together in the CNF format. This is R1 is B, which we have taken here. R1 is producing B, so that we have taken here. Then S is producing R1 and A, that we have to write here. R2 is producing A, that we have to combine here. S is producing R2 B. Okay. Then next one is R3 is representing R1 and R1M. A is producing R3M. A is producing R2S. A is producing A. R4 is producing R2B. B is producing R4B. And B is producing R1 and S. And at the end, from your given question, B is producing B, which is already in CNF form. That is also we have to add.